Good morning, America. It's Kevin, America's favorite roofer here with Honest Abe Roofing, America's favorite roofing company. We're here this morning getting ready to roof all across the state of Indiana and Illinois. Here the guys are getting ready, pulling out of the shop, getting the supplies and trucks ready to go. Solving America's roofing problems one roof at a time. Better get out of the way. We're in the way of production. Let's check this out. Follow me down here. We have our field managers right now leaving for the day, going off to their respective jobs. Oh, look at them go, look at them go. Check them out. Except for that guy, he's in a hurry to serve. Like that, that's good. So, everybody's on the way. Let's step into the shop. Look at these guys. These guys are out of control. Say hi, Captain Kirk. Yes, Captain Kirk. Beam me up. Now, Captain Kirk's in charge of driving the semi-truck, well, one of them. He delivers all of our material to the job site. These two fine fellows behind me, Oscar and Chad, are producing some metal. Oh boy, watch out. Watch out. Here comes Captain Kirk. He's gonna run over us. Don't hit us, Captain. Look at that guy. That looks great. Check him out. So, we're putting on roofs. We're producing roofs. We're making steel right here in our location, right here in Terre Haute, Indiana. So any roofing challenges you have, we can fix. If not, we can make it and solve your problems right away without delay. If you have any concerns or questions or comments about your roofing system at your house, give us a call or click for an appointment. Now, what else is going on here today? Let's check out the inside and see what the rest of the team is doing to help you. So, we saw the field managers, we saw a team outside who puts all the parts and pieces together and creates beautiful roofing systems all across our country. So, let's meet the rest of the team. Oh, that's where it all stops and starts. No negativity allowed. Here. Look at that sign. Love that sign. Let's go. Check it out. Who's in here? Oh, yes. That's where the magic happens. Who's this guy? Hi there. Oh, you know him. He's a movie star. Georgia, what are you doing today? Yeah, she's nervous. Yeah, you can't blame her, right? Why wouldn't you be? Ooh, look, it's the kitchen. What's in here? It's Evan. We saw him earlier today. Look at these fellas. Oh my goodness. This is where all the marketing magic happens. Cole. Say hi, Cole.
How's it going?
Hi, Cole. Look at this. The master of disaster, Scott. Oh, have you seen this before? Yeah. Likes don't pay the bills. So don't pay some likes. Oh my goodness. Who are these guys? What's going on here? You know this guy. He's a movie star. Captain Joe. Go, Joe. All right, so why would you call us? Why would you not call us? We got a team of folks here waiting to serve you. Who's in here? Oh wait, nobody, just us now. It's where I live. This is my office. So, why would you call us today? Why would you not call us today? We got a team of people dedicated to serving you and your family for all your roofing needs. So click below or give me a call and ask for America's favorite roofer with America's favorite roofing team. Honest Abe Roofing.